Well, you guys are going to be excited about this. Today, there is no new information. We're going to put a few more things together today as we continue our exponents. Okay? All the rules still apply. Okay? Um, the If you go back to your PEMDAS rules, you know that um, a the first P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents. Before you can apply the exponents, you have to do what? Do what's inside the parentheses. So if I look at number one, all I'm giving you is two examples. One of a product taken to a power, which is number one. A product, multiplying these two together, and then taking it to a power. Then I'm going to take a product divided by a product to a power, or power to a power. So that takes a lot of everything that we've done so far and puts it all together. So in the first one, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. Okay? Product means we're going to, inside the parentheses, we're going to add exponents. Okay? So we're still going to keep it to the third power. Okay? We're going to get 2 times 3, which is our two coefficients, times x to the third plus 1, third plus 1, and x to the, or y to the second, y to the 2 plus 1. Okay? So we're doing everything inside the parentheses first. That breaks down to 6, x to the fourth, y to the third, all taken to the third power. Okay? And now we're to the last step, power to a power. We have a power to a power, power to a power. What do? We multiply those. We have to distribute it to every single term in here. Okay? 6 to the third, x to the 4 times 3, y to the 3 times 3. The answer to the problem, 6 times 6 is 36. So that's like 36 times 6, which is, I gotta use my calculator, 216, I believe. I'm still going to my calculator to make sure I'm right. $216, I was just off. 216, x to the 12th, y to the 9th. Okay? So first do what's inside your parentheses. Do your product first, which is where we started, right? Products mean we're going to add the exponents. Then we take a power to a power, and we multiply 6 to the third, x to the 4 times 3, y to the 3 times 3. Okay? Answer 216, x to the 12th, y to the 9th. Okay? The same thing with our quotient or division problem. We have to do this first. Okay? So I'm going to do that on top. I am going to do the product, which is 2 times 3 times x to the 2 plus 1, y to the 4 plus 1. Okay? All over. I'm going to take this power to a power, which is x to the 1 times 2, y to the 2 times 2. And I'm left with 6 x to the third, y to the fifth, divided by x to the second, y to the fourth. Okay? I'm going to take this and rewrite this down over here now. 6 x to the third, y to the fifth, x squared, y to the fourth. So I did my product, added the exponents, did my power to my power. I can't take the quotient until I've got both of those simplified. Okay? They're inside the parentheses. even if they weren't in parentheses and it was just multiplication, I have to do those first before I could apply the division property. Okay? And we know now that it is going to be 6 divided by 1, which is just 6. And we can now subtract x to the 3 minus 2, y to the 5 minus 4, which that simplifies down to 6xy. Okay? And you can see here that if you had 3 x's up here, they would cancel out with 2. You have 1 left. If you had 5 y's on the top, multiplied together by 4 on the bottom, 4 of them would cancel out. We just left with 1 on the top. Okay? So that's basically it. Okay? I want you to see how well you do. Remember, Friday, I have a meeting at 12 o'clock, and we're going to go 1 o'clock on Friday for our Zoom meeting. It'll be in Google Classroom. Okay, I'll put that in there tonight. Okay? So your homework is attached. That will be due by Sunday. Friday, if you have any questions, join the Zoom meeting, and we should get everything squared away. Okay? Can't wait to see you guys again. Miss you. Bye.